Hey, you're in. Welcome to Make the Shift in 27 Ways. Check your email box every single day. You'll get something, a little assignment from me. It's not really a challenge, but let's do it. 10 minutes a day of tidying, cleaning, sorting, purging, throwing stuff out if you need to. I do this every single year and whenever I need to, because I'm in that habit of just tidying up as we go. And I know that you can do too. As when you're finished with this, you're going to feel so much better. You'll have better function and flow in the house. You'll have room on the bookshelf to buy more books if you want. You'll have room in your closet to buy more clothes if you want to. But what's going to happen is you're going to feel better. Things are going to have their place. You're going to find this and this that go together. And now you've got the pair. It's amazing what people have found through this. One lady, Monica, she found her mother's diary in her underwear drawer. Like, who knew? She was just so excited. Another lady found her favorite Christmas socks that she'd lost from far, long time ago. I keep finding pretty neat things in my house too that either the kids have left around or something like that. I keep sorting and purging my own stuff. Every time I move, every time I rearrange a room or want to paint, I have to empty a cupboard, and there you go. So you're going to find these new habits are going to be with you for life, and I'll be with you every step of the way. Look for me in your email, and I'll see you also in the Facebook group. Have a feng shui day.